We'll guide you through how to create a Notion knowledge base. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Notion on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in, go to the left sidebar and click on New Page to start your knowledge base. Give your page a meaningful title, something like Team Knowledge Base or Project Documentation. Now you'll want to set up a database structure. Click on plus sign and select Database to organize your information in a structured format. Rename columns to fit your needs, such as title, category, tags, and last updated. You can add more columns by clicking the plus icon if you need extra fields for your data. To make it visually appealing and easy to navigate, head to the top and click on Customize, where you can change the layout and add icons or cover images. This helps users quickly identify and access the information they need. Next, start populating your knowledge base by clicking on New in your table view to add entries. Fill in the details for each entry, ensuring consistency in the way information is recorded. Use Notion's rich formatting options like headings and bullet points to enhance readability. If you have existing documents, you can drag and drop files directly into Notion or use the import feature to bring in data from other tools like Google Docs or Evernote. To keep your knowledge base organized, create a clear hierarchy by using pages within pages. For example, you can have a main page for FAQs and subpages for each department or project. This helps maintain a clean and navigable structure. Finally, share your knowledge base with your team by clicking share in the top right corner and adding their emails or generating a shareable link. They can then view, comment, or edit the information based on the permissions you set with these steps. You've built a comprehensive Notion knowledge base that can grow and adapt with your team. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.